Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn off TikTok notifications. So the first thing we want to do is actually go into TikTok. So let's open that. And if you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. Now what we want to do is go to the top right 3 horizontal lines and settings and privacy. Now from here, under content and activity, the first option is push notifications, and if you choose that, you can actually see all of these that you can either toggle on or off to get certain notifications from the app. If you choose the first one of in-app notifications, these are the certain notifications that you will get whenever you are in the app. You can toggle all these off if you like, and then they have interactions, messages, video suggestions, live if people you follow go live. You can also do weekly screen time updates here and all of these things, and if you want to change them, you can go ahead and toggle some of these off, whichever ones, or go ahead and toggle all of them off if you'd like. Now the other thing you want to do is actually back out of this, and we want to go to our phone settings. Now from here, we're actually going to go to our notifications settings there, and then you're going to want to find the TikTok app, and once you find it, go ahead and choose that. Then on the very top, you can toggle off allow notifications, and it will turn off all notifications from TikTok as well. So if this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.